Can I add message to the tqdm progress bar? When using the tqdm progress bar, can I add a message to the same line as the progress bar in a loop? I tried using the tqdm.write option, but it adds a new line on every write. I would like each iteration to show a short message next to the bar that will disappear in the next iteration. Is this possible?
You can change the description to show a small message before the progress bar, like this. /edit. In the latest releases of tqdm, you can use t.set_description text, refresh equals true, which is the default, and remove t.refresh. Thanks to Daniel for the tip.
The example shown in usage of tqdm works well for me. Or alternatively, starting Python 3.8 which supports the walrus operator column equals.
Other answers focus on dynamic description, but for a static description you can add a DESC argument into the tqdm function.
You can use set_postfix to add values directly to the bar. Example. The postfix dictionary is integrated into the progress bar. Instead of a dictionary, you can use set_postfix_str to just add a string to the end of the progress bar.
Please send it to